Hey everybody, just wanted to create a quick video to let you know I've opened enrollment for my September 22nd through 25th in-person course right here in my offices in the beautiful Berkshires. We've been doing a lot of training up here this year, a lot more than last year. Matter of fact, I just finished up a training class with a Fortune 100 company that does bottling, and we had a great time. We actually did some custom stuff. You know what? I'll show you that in a minute. But I did want to talk to you about my CompactLogix training course, September 22nd through the 25th. All the information is over at theautomationschool.com. You'll see a big banner right there. You can see all the details. I think this is the most affordable CompactLogix course you'll find anywhere in the USA. And of course, it's taught by yours truly. So you know that you're going to be able to ask me questions. And here's the other thing too. If you come to the in-person course, you get the online course at no additional charge. Or if you're already in my CompactLogix online course, you get that cost of that course deducted from the in-person course. So I want everybody to have a copy of the online course who comes to the in-person course, because I want you to be able to keep asking me questions after the course is done. Now, you know what I'm going to do? Let me just take the phone off the stand here, and let me tell it to switch sides. Here we go. And let's actually go down there and take a look at the training room. So I'm going to try to carry my phone here and walk down there. And I haven't shown you guys the office in a while, so in any case, oh, and then here the lights go off because they're on a automatic, but there's a Studio B where I do most of the filming there. And then, and here we have the training room. And you can see it's kind of only set up for 4 different stations right now because we had that customer I was just talking about who wanted to do PLC5, SLC 500, and CompactLogix. So I only got to set it up for 4 seats. Of course, if we're doing, if we have 8 people coming in for CompactLogix, we will have all 8 seats available for that. You can see the distributed I/O. The other customer wanted to do Panel View Plus 2, so we have a Machine Edition installed, and we have all this distributed I/O available. Plus, I'm got more in the works, more labs. I mean, the lab book's getting pretty thick, but it's going to be even thicker here in the coming months. But in any case, you can see the setup right now. And, I should mention too that if you need some custom training on PLC5, SLC 500, MicroLogix, ControlLogix, CompactLogix, I can do that as well because, I have all the equipment. I've been doing this for 36 years. I'm just going to come over here and show you the desk. I sit there all day during, in between lectures. I'm there at the back of the classroom to answer questions, walk over. Of course, I can remote into any of the stations and see what people look. And I do that sometimes too, because, sometimes the text is just so small, in version 38. So it's just easier to remote into the PC. But with that, let me go ahead and take you back to my office here. And so I just want to let you guys know about that. This is the first time I've done this with my phone, so I'm struggling with keeping it zoomed in the right place. But in any case, I just wanted to tell you about that. Again, theautomationschool.com. If you want to know more about that class, if you have questions, there are definitely links at the top of the site. Here, let me put this back in the stand. There are definitely links at the top of the site where you can get in touch with me and ask questions. And again, if you want something custom, I do require a minimum of 2 people to do a custom class, but we do quite a bit of that. Paper mills, bottling facilities, all kinds of different places. They just like to do some. A lot of times when we're doing custom, we're doing, they want to look at the code. They want me to review some of their code with their students. So I do charge a little extra for that because I need to spend time reviewing the code. It's difficult when somebody shows up and I haven't seen the code beforehand, especially if it's an OEM type of project file where they're doing a lot of loops through, custom add-on instructions. It's like, that's kind of boring to distill live in front of a classroom. But if I get the files early, of course, I can do all that and then explain it to the students. So with that said, if you know anybody who needs CompactLogix training, please tell them about my course. You can sign up now. It's I think it's $300 off if you sign up before September. The course is actually September 22nd through the 25th. If you go to automationschool.com/live, you can see you can see what the room looks like. Of course, you just saw that, but you can see all the local hotels and activities. And the last guys just stayed at a Best Western, so I got to add that to the list. But, Holiday Inns, Hampton Inns, all those different major brands just within 3 miles. And then um, you're up to it, you can go to the top of Mount Greylock, the highest point in Massachusetts, and see for hundreds of miles, assuming it's a clear day. But in any case, we also got the Norman Rockwell Museum. We got, Jiminy Peak and just all these other places to do fun stuff. The Appalachian Trail goes right through the Berkshire County. So in any case, with that, I'm going to end this video. Please get in touch with me if you want to do a custom course, or if you just want to sign up for this CompactLogix course. Again, I can take up to 8 people. So I haven't looked yet to see how many seats are open. I still think there's 6 or 7 open. So because I just opened it up for registration. So look forward to seeing you here if you come to the course. And until next time, my friends, peace.